Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to play games at Vagalume website. It's very easy and funny. I hope you enjoy. Before you click the link that will get you through this page, I'd like to show you some characteristics of the page. Here you have the rules if you want to know something or anything about that. Here you have the kind modes you are going to play. You can play the video mode, is this one you can see, or you can just click on text mode and you go to translations. Here you can choose the level that you want to play, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or expert. I just suggest you start with beginner and then you go to intermediate and then you go to advanced and then you go to expert to start playing. I am showing you how to play here at video mode. Okay, the first step is click on the video in order to start to play the game. So as the song starts, the lines are getting darker here.
Heaven from hell, blue skies from pain.
And that is one missing word. What is the word that you have listened in the song? You just click on the word that you have listened,
Blue skies
and the video starts over.
Can you tell a great feel?
So guys, that's it. A very useful tool to learn another language, to learn English, and it's for free. I hope you all enjoy it. Have fun.